Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am making a vlog on Bali airport, and my aim on choosing this specific video frame right now is, if you see on the extreme right corner, you'll find a statue sort of thing. That statue is of Garuna Vishnu Kanchana. Okay, so Garuna Vishnu Kanchana, it's of the about Vishnu god, and this is the tallest statue of Indonesia, which is only and only visible from the Bali airport, right? So whenever you take a flight to and fro from Bali airport, you can always check this out. And this is not only the tallest statue in Indonesia, it's the fourth tallest statue around the world. Yes, guys, you're hearing this right from me. And I'll tell you what, this is a very, very big source of tourism, and people all around the world specifically Hindus come to, watch this. And I think so on your next trip to Bali, don't forget to check this out. Okay, thank you. Let's see the vlog now.
Buat para puan-puan, selamat datang ke lapangan terbang Antara Bangsa Ngurah Rai Denpasar. Sila berada di tempat duduk anda dan pasang kaki lidah sehingga tali jalan tersebut dipadamkan. Berhati-hati semasa membuka ruang penyimpanan di antara. Terima kasih kerana terbang bersama Malaysia Airlines. Dan ya Allah, dan kami berharap anda adalah
See all Hindu gods. Alka. Letak.
Pesawat udara Batik Air dengan
Ayah message kuch. हाँ? नहीं, मैं बोलो मैं सुन रही हूँ. का लाइन पूछ के आती हूँ। इनसे पूछो ना यहाँ पे हेल्प डेस्क जो है।
Two people, yeah. You need to buy pizza to someone.
Hi! How's the Josh? Tired?
Okay, guys, we finally met our group here, and after traveling for approximate some 12 hours, we finally reached Bali. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Bye. Happy traveling, happy dreaming.